kind and we have to have conversations. We can't gossip about our classmates. You know why? If I'm gossiping about Robert to all my friends, well, when my friends aren't around, what do they think that I'm doing about them? And every single one of you, just like you have special gifts and talents, each of you were given a name for a reason. Or sometimes we make fun of someone else because they're different. Because we don't like what they're wearing, or maybe the color of their skin, or maybe the religion that they practice, right? We see in the world where sometimes our differences are separating us, where people are picked on for their differences. But I imagine a world where people are kind and people can have conversations with each other, and that we can celebrate our differences. And if there's something I don't understand, then I just ask you. Can you believe that? You can learn a lesson with no homework? Yeah! Do you guys want to know what that lesson is? I don't know, Marcus. Do they want to know? Yeah! Can I get a drum roll? Just by being the first one to say hi to somebody else or talk to the person in line behind you, somebody who's having a really bad day might have what now? Raise your hand if you've ever learned something really special from your mommy or daddy. You know, our mommies and daddies, our families, they teach us so much. And from my family, I learned the lesson of kindness.